Hello and welcome to our monthly product updates. Today we're excited to share with you some of the latest features that we've launched in Zluri. So let's dive in. First up we have is the task via Slack. You can manage your tasks without switching platforms. You can now take manual actions like adding a new user to Workspace directly through Slack and receive real-time alerts so you can take actions instantly. Next we have is the new conditions for movers use cases. This feature helps you identify and manage access for important mid-life cycle changes, such as employee promotions and departmental changes. For example, if your employee moves from customer success to product management, you can automatically trigger an offboarding playbook. This allows you to automatically adjust app access and permissions when an employee's role or department changes within the organization. Detailed run logs. This feature provides a real-time comprehensive breakdown on each step executed during a workflow, so you can track everything as it happens. Actions like add user to group now showcase a status update for each group, and you'll see a clear picture of what was modified: success, failure, pending, or no action required. Another exciting launch is Request to Forego advanced settings. You can now set limits on the number of reminders, define the gap between two reminders, and establish a cool-off period for requests to forego actions. This will give you control over the reminders and help you get responses from the employees periodically in an effective manner. We've added a new feature called Display Current Active Licenses. This feature showcases only current active licenses instead of summing up all licenses in the contract overview. This avoids duplication and provides a clear, accurate number of licenses presented in your system. Next, we have is a directory management. For an enhanced user experience, this feature allows you to configure the primary sources, including user categorization, with a verified domain in the new directory management section, from which Zluri can fetch data for different directory informations and declutter your settings page. Example: configure the settings to classify the discovered users as employees and external users. Making app link editable. As a user in Zluri, you should be able to edit the app link from the application's overview session. This will give you a more personalized experience. You can now add the right or desired link for the apps discovered, especially for the custom apps where links are usually missing and the users are not able to add the app link. How is this done? When you edit the app, then you should get an option to edit the app link regardless of whether the field is pre-filled or not. Now, you can get exports for a list of users who will install the Zluri agents. This makes it simpler to identify who has installed the agent or who hasn't, ensuring you can course correct and send prompts to users to install agents on the device. You can navigate to the Agents module and on the Users page, select the Export button at the top right of the screen and generate the CSV report. We are also introducing vendor exports. With this, you can export the list of vendors with their details, cost, and spend associated with them. This helps simplify financial and spend decision making for all stakeholders. Now, finally, we have the Cost Center report. You can now download month-on-month cost center-wise spend report for the report session of the dashboard.
You can filter the data by application